Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. We can see the price is in the strong bearish mode currently because of the current situation in Europe. So the euro is losing its strength against all other currency symbols. If we take a look into currency strength meter that is showing the strength of each currency against all other currencies, we can see the euro is at the lowest level. It has the lowest strength against all other currencies. Your Australian dollar is the strongest one currently on the market, and the euro has the lowest strength. So we can expect the euro to lose more strength in coming weeks because of the current status in the euro. What we can see in the previous 2 weeks, since the last analysis was done, we had a pretty bearish scenario. The bears has took over the whole market, and we can see mostly the bearish candles. There were only 2 bullish candles here, but which was also on the downtrend channel resistance, which was on the downtrend support line, and also we have here horizontal support level that has held the price from falling down. But when the price has reached this level, we can see here a bullish pin bar, which has formed on the confluence of support that will push the price up. But on the next day, we have here a candle that has closed below this support level at 1.10755. This was also a sign the price will head down further. And on the next day, we have a strong bearish candle which is almost 200 pips long, and this was a clear signal that the price will not return back here in the downtrend channel, or to move up here and return back here in the range area. The price did not respect this support line at 1.09860, but it has stopped at the strong support 1.08846, which has a history as a strong support on the price when the price is heading down. This is also visible when we go back in the past. Just a minute. Here it is. This is the support level that has held the price from falling down. What we can see here in the past, the price has respected this support level when it was falling down, but this support was not so strong as support below. What we can see here, when the price was heading down, it has stopped at this support level at 1.07825, and on this level we can see the price did not stop at this level, but it has found a support where the demand zone is, and the price was pushed back up. But because of the bearish strength, the price has continuing to moving down to the next support level is 1.06736. On this falling down scenario, the price has stopped at this level. Next time, when the price has bounced up and returned back down, it also has found a support here, and then again here, and this was a base for the price to move on the higher levels. So from the current price, which is here 1.09263, we can expect the price to close below this support level, which is 1.08846, to continue moving down to the support level, which is the strongest support in front of the price. We can see also what has price done when the price has reached this support level, when the price was falling down from the higher levels. Each time the price has bounced, retraced back up. Here was also the retrace back up, here was also retrace back up, and here was also a bounce, and when the price has retraced to this level, to this resistance, but it had continued moving up. So we can also expect the price will move from this support level to this resistance level. So when we go back on the price, when we come here to the current status of the market, we can see the price will reach this level here at 1.07825, and then we can expect to make the retrace back up to 1.09860. So this could be also a buying opportunity But be careful to watch it only daily and 4-hour time frame and look for bullish price action signals. So, looking into the past, we can see this level, this support level, is not so strong for the price when moving down, but this level is more likely the price will reach in the next week. So from here, we can expect the price move up, or if the price doesn't move up, if the price closes below this 1.07825, we can expect the next level is 1.06736. And again, if we take a look in the past, what has happened when the price has broke below this 1.07825 is this level. We can see here the price has bounced from this support level and then returned back down, and it has closed below this support level. It was reaching this 1.06736. So these are the two levels we can expect in the future, next week or in the next 2 weeks. Or if the price bounces from this level, from the support level at 1.07825, we can expect the price move up. If the price closes above 1.09860, we can expect the price to move higher. And in the current market scenario, if the price returns up and close above this level, then we can expect the price to go again in the downtrend channel, but to make a bullish scenario much more likely to continue moving higher, the price should close above this level, 1.11871. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!